Hi Tar Heels. I can't believe it's been a year since we started remote learning, teaching, researching, and serving as a community. Our world has changed in countless ways. As we look back on the last year, it's important to acknowledge each of us has something to mourn. Maybe it's the loss of a loved one, or the loss of spending time with family and friends, or the loss of celebrating important milestones. This year has been difficult for each of us, and we stand together in remembering the people across our nation and around the world who we have lost in this pandemic. I also want to take a moment to celebrate how far we've come. We are halfway through the spring semester, and it's been wonderful seeing more of you here on campus and in our classrooms. Our Carolina Together testing program celebrated its 100,000th test last week, and our positivity rate is at an all-time low at 0.07%, and we also have the lowest number of students in our quarantine and isolation space since the pandemic began. Thanks to everyone who's working so hard to follow the COVID-19 community standards. Your efforts are making a difference. We must stay the course. And speaking of making a difference, we have a lot to look forward to. I'm so excited to celebrate the commencement of our 2021 graduates at Kenan Stadium in May, with Dr. Anthony Fauci and Dr. Kazmikia Corbett as our speakers. Many of you have already signed up and have received your first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine over the past 2 weeks, a remarkable scientific achievement that many Carolina researchers and alumni have helped make possible. Nearly 18,000 names were uploaded into the state database by our Office of Environmental Health and Safety, which helped expedite the vaccinations for many of you. As a result, we can see a light at the end of the tunnel. I encourage each one of you to sign up for the vaccine as soon as it's available to you. All of Group 4, which includes our faculty, staff, student employees, as well as our students living in on-campus and Greek housing, will be eligible on April 7th. For those in Group 3 who are eligible now, I encourage you to sign up at UNC Health or on the North Carolina DHHS My Shot website. Each of you should get vaccinated to help stop the spread of this virus. My leadership team and I are working with faculty, students, and staff to prepare and plan for the fall semester. We anticipate a more typical residential academic experience at Carolina with the goal of a full return to in-person instruction, and many of our current safety precautions likely still in place. I can't wait to have each of you back on campus. It's been a long year, but we have made it so far together, and with the help of our experts, we will continue to keep our community safe. Thank you, and go Heels.